going to shave that off. How do I get off? How do I get you off? Screw it. You're in the trash pile. Okay. Man, I really underestimated how much work my mom put into these. Whew. I see why she usually didn't go for all the stuff I'm going for. Okay. Alright. Okay. One last thing to cut. A lemon. Now, I should probably be using a juicer or something to measure how much lemon juice I'm putting in, but I'm just going to try to juice the whole thing. Oh, I should probably be doing this on camera. That'd probably be wise. And then... oh, lost a seed. Come here, you little bastard. Oh, no, don't get out of here. No. Bad dog, get back here. Okay, there you are. Fuck you. Pardon my French. Ugh. Ugh. Now, this is something that people often miss. You want to liberally salt and pepper your chicken salad. That really brings out all the flavors. Now for the final touch. Boom. Great value mayonnaise. Now, if you were making this and you wanted it to taste and like you really wanted to impress people, well, you might use something a little fancier. I wouldn't even, you don't even have to go as far as like a Sir Kensington, but like a Hellman's or a, oh Lord, this is gonna, well, here we go. Hellman's or Kraft, whatever. Like, that'll really get you far. Alright, well. There's a little bit more in there. We'll see if we need to do it later. But now, not much else to do. I don't have a rubber spatula or anything, so... well, I didn't want to do this. Well, actually, hold on. We're going to add a little mustard first, too. Just for a little extra flavor. Come on. What the hell is wrong with you? There. But, alright, now for the fun part. We're gonna just get in with it with our hands and... oh, Lord, this is such an unsettling texture. And you just want to mix it all up until We're satisfied. Alright, well, let's try a little sampling since our hands are already dirty. It's good. I might have added a little too much mustard. But you know, that's a good thing about chicken salad. Well, as I said, that's the good thing about chicken salad is it actually gets better the longer you let it sit. I'm going to let this cure overnight, and it's going to turn, well, over day. As I said before, I'm a night auditor, and it's going to turn into something delicious. I have all this fruit and nuts and protein and all this good stuff in there. It's going to be good. Here, let's try to get a little sampling with the grape in it. Fantastic. The best chicken salads have a little bit of grape or apple or something like a fruit in them. I remember going to my great aunt's funeral. They had that was the first time I ever had chicken salad with grapes in it, and it was life-changing. And I feel really bad that that's one of my strongest memories of that time, but she lived a good long life, and she had a heck of a sense of humor. She probably would have been tickled at how much I enjoyed her wake. Anyway, that's it for me today. Like I said, I'm going to film the other video next, but you're probably going to see that first. So you all have a good one. Have a good weekend. This is Royce Miller, signing off.